Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Lincoln MKZ 2017 to 2020? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2017 Lincoln MKZ, located on the driver's side under the hood, contains high current fuses and relays for critical systems, including the powertrain control module, ignition coils, headlamp ballasts, and power outlets. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2018 to 2020 Lincoln MKZ is located on the driver's side of the engine bay and contains high-amp fuses and relays that safeguard critical systems such as the powertrain control module, electric cooling fans, and power outlets. Power distribution fuse box. The power distribution box in the 2017 Lincoln MKZ is located in the engine bay and protects key systems like the powertrain control module, ABS, and cooling fans. It features both top and bottom fuse panels, accessible by releasing latches and pivoting the box outward. The power distribution box in the 2018 to 2020 Lincoln MKZ is mounted in the engine compartment and safeguards high current systems such as the PCM, electric cooling fans, and adaptive cruise control. It includes upper and lower fuse panels, accessed by releasing side latches and pivoting the unit outward. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2017 Lincoln MKZ is located under the dashboard to the left of the steering column and controls systems like ambient lighting, memory seats, and infotainment. With clearly labeled micro and mini fuses, it ensures easy maintenance and reliable operation of key interior features. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2018 to 2020 Lincoln MKZ controls features like ambient lighting, power windows, power mirrors, and memory seats. It also protects the infotainment system, heated steering wheel, adaptive headlamps, and central locking. With clearly labeled micro and mini fuses, it ensures reliable function of interior comfort and convenience systems.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.